Landing a Pacific sailfish on the fly is a new challenge for me as a freshwater bass angler.
Come on, baby!
The deck is cleared, we've put away all the conventional gear. Our only focus now is to get me one sailfish on the fly.
The best thing about fly fish is you pull the boat into neutral, it's 10 feet behind the boat, there's nothing between you and the fish but clear water. It is beautiful.
Left teaser, left teaser, left teaser. Here comes to the left teaser. He's coming hot, he's coming hot on the left teaser. All right, right there, right there, right there. Now. Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it. He's coming, he's coming. Whoa, what a bite. Got him.
When you stick a fly in a fish with 2 J hooks, he's gonna jump. He is pissed.
Enjoy, JP.
Nice, nice!
Yeah, he's screaming.
Captain Wonga is laughing his ass off at me because he loves seeing his clients try new things and succeed. How awesome is it to fish with a bunch of pros like these?
Good job. Awesome, JP. What a strike.
Yeah, fly rods, because you have 1-to-1 ratio, it's tough as an angler. If you're not really used to it, you bust your knuckles usually. But just have enough speed with the boat to keep up with a fish that's that pissed off. They can do 60 miles an hour. Try to keep up with them. Good luck.
A bonefish on a fly rod, yeah, they can run, but fighting a sail on a fly, this is a completely different beast. Being a bass guy, I'm pretty spoiled. 7-to-1 gear ratios, 35 inches of line per handle turn, but a fly reel, it's 1-to-1, and I'm working my ass off. I'm pretty determined I'm not going to let this one get away.
I thought that was JP's best fight. Out of all the fish he caught, the way he worked that fly rod was beautiful. It's like he's been on tarpon stuff. He's been on a fly rod before.